Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss minimum depth of binary tree. Let's read its description first. Given a binary tree, find its minimum depth. The minimum depth in the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest leaf node. Okay, a leaf is a node with no children. Minimum depth will be 2. Okay, and if we look at this example, so let me share. First let's draw a tree for this example. Here is first 2, then its left should be null. Okay, null, and right is 3. Okay, and the left child will be null and the right child will be 4, and the left child will be null here and right will be 5. So this will be null and this will be 5, and also for this. Okay, so yeah, if we look at this, its minimum depth is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so how we can calculate its, so if we look at the previous videos, I have shared the recursion methods, but I was thinking in today's video I will share a iterative method. Okay, so let's implement our solution. If for example, if there is no root, okay, then we should return just 0. Okay, so we are dealing with corner cases here. Okay, and now we need a DQ. So at the initial stage our level should be 1. So we need 2 loops here, and this while loop should run until the queue gets empty. Okay, so after using while loop we should use for loop here for I in range. Okay, and here I am defining length function which calculates the length of queue. And now we need node value, but we also need to pop this value from queue. Pop left, Yes, for example, if there is no left child and a right child, so we just need to return level. Okay, and if for example there is a left value, if node dot left, just insert or append the node's left value. Okay. Mm, if for example we found we need to check the right. Okay, it's right, yes. If there is a right value, then we should insert this into queue dot append node dot right. Okay, and once we did this, we need to just improve level plus equal 1. It's 99.02%. Wow. Okay, so hope so this solution will helps you a lot. Okay, let's meet in next session. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.